In today's video, I'm going to show you how to email unsubscribe tutorial. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so in this item, I have here my Yahoo email, and I'm going to click the mail icon to access the mail. Now, I'm blocking some of the stuff out for quality purposes and privacy purposes only, but basically, if you want to email unsubscribe or unsubscribe from whatever mail you were receiving, in this case, it's Yahoo Mail, there's a couple ways to do this. Okay, so these icons right here, or these options right here, we have archive, the mail, move the mail, delete, spam. And if you click the dots or icons, you have different options that we have. We have the mark red star, we have block senders, unsubscribe filter message filter, prints, etc. So in this case, we want to unsubscribe, or you can even block the sender. Or in this case, we can even unsubscribe, and then we have here, it says unsubscribe from this current mail. In this case, it's currently Yahoo Mail, and I'm not going to unsubscribe. But this is how you can unsubscribe from emails. Or if you want, you can click report as spam. I have Gmail pulled up here, and let's see if you want to go with this email right too. So this is just a partner with a company that wants to do a collab, and assuming that I click on this right here, it might look like a little bit suspicious. So if you want to report this as spam or unsubscribe, you can go to the third option and then click delete. You can click more and see that there's not really anything here. So in this case, you want to click these three icons to this right, and you can click delete message, block, report, or report as spam, phishing, you choose. But in this case, if you want to block or report as spam or report phishing, they'll do the same exact thing.